Hey everyone, Miguel here and welcome to the channel. Well guys, today I'm gonna do another journey day here on my Cryptex business, and for today this is almost my 1 year anniversary that I'm going in with Cryptex. So today is, if I'm not wrong, my day 358, and I've been off completely, guys, Cryptex almost 1 year. So I just started back these videos and trying to promote it a little bit, like a couple weeks ago, something like that. And guys, it has been an amazing journey, even doing this that just passively. The potential that this project has is really outstanding. So guys, if you really believe that this can be helpful for you, I have a link for you to join me here down below, okay, so that you can get started with Cryptex to see a very, very bright future, guys, because Cryptex has been with us for 9 years already. What project online do you know that has been online for 9 years, flawlessly paying everyone, okay? And so this is a very, very big thing, okay? So guys, stay with me until the end so that I can show you what have been my staking returns for today, okay? So this is the Cryptex official page, okay? In other videos I'm gonna probably show you, okay? Here what we have exactly, okay? It's totally unique. We have DeFi hybrid contract, okay? But now let me go here to my the real screenshot that I did for today. So today is August 29th, right? And from today, guys, I had a staking return of 0.15%, which from my total staking balance, which I started almost 1 year ago. The bank loans us $43,200 for the staking term that I have acquired. Okay, this is not investment, guys. This is basically we are activating a contract. Okay, and mine was for the 5 years, so it was the starting balance was this, and my total profit till today is over $26,500, and this is my total staking balance. And this total staking balance is being compounded every single day. Okay, so imagine for tomorrow, for the 30th, it's gonna be all this amount, $69,704 that it's going to compound. Obviously, our staking returns always vary every single day, usually between 0.11 and 0.19. So from today it was $109.84, guys. So this is really, really cool. Not a big staking return, guys. That is true, because I've been in tons of projects out there that they say they pay you 1%, 2%, 5%, and man, I've been in those, and with most of them I've lost my money. Okay, so those aren't really steady returns that it can be really worth, can be really for the future. Okay, so this is much more reliable, okay, and much more also realistic. Okay, guys, so if you believe that this could be helpful for you and for your future, if you would like to get into crypto and you still don't know anything, I can help you to get started. Okay, you will down below, we'll have a link for you to join me. You'll go to my email list. From there you can contact me also here or on Facebook, on X or eventually on Telegram. I have also a Telegram channel, a general Telegram, and also a private Telegram. Okay, that's for people that join under me. I will get you on that Telegram, and we'll share some more good stuff and cool stuff for all of you. Okay, guys. So if you enjoyed the video, guys, don't forget to download, to give that like, subscribe to my channel, click the bell, okay, so that you can start receiving all of my latest videos. And guys, I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for listening, and I will see you on the next one.